Welcome! Today in front of me I have the new Galaxy Watch 8 by Samsung, and in this video I will unbox them, we'll together see what accessories it comes with, and I'll share some first impression on the smartwatch. So let's jump right into it, guys. First things first, I will need to unpeel those strips to make or those seals, should I say, to make the box available for me to open it up. So let's quickly do that. Take the device out, and here we are greeted with a beauty itself, the Galaxy Watch 8, which I have the Model 7 in front of me, and you can, or on my arm actually, on my hand, on my wrist to be exact, which you can straight up compare them. As you can see, the form factor has changed quite a bit. They are visibly different. Another thing that I can tell you has changed is the straps mechanism. It is now more straightforward. You do not need to align any pins or some bull sensor like that, because from my experience, putting the straps on the Watch 7 is a pain in the ass, to be perfectly honest with you guys. But this time you'll just need to strap the straps in. You'll hear a click and that's it. So that's the smartwatch's body itself. Then we get the another packaging that should contain a bunch of paperwork. Yep, so this bowing part is out of the way, as well as the charging wire, a regular Samsung's Type-C to, well, whatever this magnetic standard is called. Let me actually take it out by unwrapping it. Push it out as well. Yep, so here it is, just as you would get in all previous models. The smartwatch's body feels very lightweight. It's just awesome. The materials feel also nice. On the back you have this little plastic, should I say? I have no idea what this material is, but it also feels very nice. So laying on your arm, it won't cause, or it shouldn't cause, any irritations, even if you have sensitive skin, I would assume. Let's continue unwrapping the device. Do you have anything else inside of it? No, by the looks of it. So here are the straps. So let's, without any further delays, let's put it on. So here you have regular 2 buttons in the same fashion you had them on the Watch 7. As far as I can tell, the buttons are a little bit different, but so is the entire smartwatch. They have changed the form factor, changed the design, and I really like it, to be perfectly honest with you. I would even go to as far as saying that I like this design way more than I do the previous iterations. So now the strap 1 is clicked in, so is the strap 2. They are in place now. The default rubber belts, the rubber strips feel nice. The rubber itself is very smooth and soft to the touch. Insanely soft, to be honest. It's even softer than the straps you get with Galaxy Watch Ultra that I had unboxed not too long ago. So here on it, the Samsung continues this theme with putting a thread, like those little thread accents, but this time instead of being blue and orange, they're just plain white, in the same fashion the whole device is. And once again, to me it looks pretty neat, pretty stylish. Oh, another thing actually, it's pretty nicely, the display is pretty nicely lifted out of the watch's frame, as you can tell. It's the same with older models, but due to the uniformity of the frame, it gives a very cool depth feeling and a very cool depth impression, which is just generally feels nice to look at. And well, that's the unboxing and first impressions out of the way. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.